I'm Hannah, and this is combining watercolor and gouache 3 ways. Join me in my first Skillshare class as I teach you the mid-tone method, using watercolor backgrounds, building up pattern and texture, and mixing new opaque colours. Gouache has been used for hundreds of years and was extensively used by designers and illustrators in the pre-digital age. It's currently enjoying a resurgence in popularity, and for good reason. This opaque water-based medium is extremely versatile and can be combined and intermixed seamlessly with your existing watercolours. You can complete this class with just watercolours and white gouache. In our final project, we'll combine all our new skills. I'll take you through one of my processes for creating new works, and we'll become interior designers as we paint our own bohemian bungalows. This class is for beginning painters and experienced watercolourists alike. Join me and add a range of new techniques to your skill set and learn to plan your paintings with confidence.